Here we are on the third floor. We just put in the storm window back in. We had cleaned it up yesterday. It was a raw aluminum. Cleaned it up really good, removed the glass, wiped everything down, brushed everything out. There was lots of dirt, cobwebs, everything else in there. We did not paint these. We need them to slide, and we did not paint inside the groove, but we did first prime it with a metal primer. 1, 2, 3 bullseye, and then we painted it, same paint as the house paint, and we've put it back in. It fit really nice. I cleaned it all off. There was lots of old caulking on it. Cleaned it all off. My theory is get everything clean. It should fit really tight. Now, for some reason, this bottom piece here, which is made to flex up and down in here, was not long enough, so there was a gap in here. So I put a piece of white aluminum in there, up in, down, then screwed into these probably 5/8 inch screws, which are awesome, and then screwed the whole thing down so nothing can move here. There's a little air space here for any water to run out. Hopefully there's nothing in there. Hopefully these don't get too much condensation. I don't think they will. But we're back in, and now we're ready to move on to some other finish work.